Yo, what up, my traders? Got a green day. Very, very small green day. Probably the smallest green day I ever did trading. I'm with a cash account, so I can't trade a lot of shares. Stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Welcome to my first episode, day one of my $500 cash account starting balance. Funded this account with $500. I'm back in TD Ameritrade. I was getting my ass whooped by commissions with CMEG, but I have not given up with that broker. I will be back. I will be back with CMEG. But I just want to grow this account and still get screen time. You know, I can take losses, don't take too much. This is cheaper for me. And I will be funding this account with my own cash. I might throw 200 in here, 300 here or there. And the whole point of this account is just to grow it up to about 2,500, 3,000. Then I'm going to switch to a CMEG. So, yep, stay tuned. It's the cash account. First trade, only took two trades because of buying power. First trade here, I jumped in at 503. A little early. I wish I'd have got in here at 501 or 5, or just let it break back and or let it pull back and break the VWAP level, because it's going to get a deeper pullback. So I'm in here a little early. I should have let it pull. I should let it breach this a little bit, or at least breach $5 and see, $5 reclaim and hold before I take a trade there. So I'm in at 503. Tape slowing up. Could signify some of this, the pressure is selling. Some of the selling pressure is lighting up, but the bids didn't lift when the tape was slowing. It got lower, so it's going to move lower. Didn't move up from when the tape slowed down. This is not my internet speed either, guys. This is how slow the tape is. There's not that much action on this. There's not that much action this morning. So anyway, I'm in at 503. I'm getting dumped on a little bit. It's gonna go back, pull back further, 499. But like, I'm not even really too much worried because I have low share size, and I know I'm not paying commission. So I let it pull back against me a little bit. I let it breathe a little bit. I was having a 15-cent stop loss, and with 25 shares, 15-cent stop loss, that's like a little over $3. Now, the only thing is I don't like about this cash account is like these small shares. So I'm not gonna be making no money, man. I hope my videos still be interesting, but like I'm not gonna be making no real money until I start putting some cash into my account. Like I said, I started with $500. I still got money from my other broker coming in. I have $500 and some dollars in there before I close my account. And warning you guys, if you got a CMEG account and you're wanting to do a transfer of your funds from that account, it's gonna cost you $200. So anyway, getting a little push up, it pulled back, didn't go no much lower. So now getting a little squeeze, and I'm holding this position through highs. I want to see it break through highs. I want to get that 10-cent rip. Really, I want to see it push through highs. And if I didn't have these 25 shares, I probably wouldn't even held it like that. I would have been got rid of this stock. I'd have been sold for profit. But I do like that I am holding it with these low share size, so I can let the trade play out. Like this is what I need more experience in. Like getting in at a low level, and if it pulls back against me, cool, don't panic out. I'm up $3.31. First trade of the day, I made $3.31. But you pass it. But that's what I need to get used to. I need to get used to like getting in there and not stopping myself out and letting these trades play out. Like let the trend happen. Like I've been too much of a scalp trader. And I'm still a scalp trader, but like I wanna hold these. I wanna hold them a little bit longer. Like I wanna see a trend. Like it's hard to describe. But anyway, first trade, I'm up $3.31. Look at that. Did you see this? I top ticked that. Let's announce it. Let's do analysis on this. So it's coming up to a resistance level here, 510. Tape slowing up. Big wall here. Got through it. Sped up. And then you're going to see where I get out at. It's going to be a big number than all these little numbers over here. These at 518, you'll see it. 14. We got 514 still going up. The tape looks weak. This green and red. But we got through it. And right there, you see that big number 518? See how that hidden seller? Not really hidden seller. He's showing the shares, but people are buying and it keeps refreshing and it dropped. But I didn't play with it. I got out as soon as I saw that big number and it didn't get ate through. I just took it off right there. I'm up $3.31 on the day. And I lost buying power. And then how I'm doing this cash account is like I'm only using half of my buying power each day so I can trade every day. So it might not be a lot of trades that I'll be taking. Like this one here. This is gonna be a loser trade right here. Like it's gonna be a losing trade. It's not that good of a trade. We got this wick right here. Like it's pulled back too much, and it did not hold this psychological support level. It'll pull back here maybe and hold a little bit, or hold up here towards the highs and then pull back to 6. It'll be a better entry. But the best entry was down here at 590. That's where I should have got in at. And then this too, you see how it's pushing up? Like I need to be getting out for some type of profit here. Like it's up at 601, but the fact that I'm on this 3-minute chart and you see this wick, I really don't see a resistance level, like a red candle. You know what I mean? Like me looking at this 3-minute chart, the next resistance I see is at 612. So I'm expecting it to go to 612. But if I had a 1-minute chart pulled up here, this candle probably wouldn't look like this, and I probably would saw a little bit more red candles, and I would have known that this would have been the top because it got to like 602, and I'm telling you on the 1-minute chart, I bet you it was a red candle. That was a resistance level. 602 was a resistance level there. 603. Look at the wall. Even by the tape telling me that, but like, if I had a 1-minute chart, it would have been like clear as day, and I would have sold this pop for $1. But I was thinking like I wanted to get highs. I want to get highs. I don't want to sell for $1. I should have sold it right there. So still pushing up. Now it's coming back against me. I should have got it for some profit. I don't know why I didn't. Should have got it for $1. I should have got it for $1. So it's some things I gotta adjust to with this cash account. It's like very small winnings, very small. I'm not gonna have those good winnings, those good like. It's not even in the first time it wasn't that good. Like I want to make at least $10 a day trading like this, $20 a day. Really $20 a day I want to make trading this cash account with these low share size like this. Like I should have got rid of this for a 54-cent profit. But it just wouldn't be worth it. Should have got it for $1. Like right here when it did that, like when I saw the big numbers there, but like you saw the tape's gonna speed up. It's like it's trying to give it one more push here. Like right here, there's this last push to try to get up there. Nothing budges. Big numbers at 603. Nothing budges. So I should have cut that off. Should not have been hold on to that. Yep. Especially when it breaks 6 here, I should have cut it. Even though like when y'all look at this video, guys, just like right. I'm gonna say this right now. How I'm trading right now, I don't really care about how much money I make, how much money I lose. Really, I don't want to lose a lot, but I don't really care about how much money I make. The whole purpose of this account right here is to get used to trading my strategy and taking the right trades, knowing when to trade and knowing most importantly knowing when not to trade. So that's why I'm doing this little $500 account, try to grow it up. I am gonna put my own cash deposits in, so not all of it will be from growing up. So this little last attempt here, push. I should have got rid of it here. Little last attempt. So right here, when I saw that it couldn't make new highs, at least above this candle here, and it's getting sold off with the hidden seller right here at 6. Yeah, I knew the stock was done. So now I'm looking for like, okay, it's time for me to get out. Where I'm gonna get out at, which is gonna be at 590. Look at that. Tape's very heavy. Really, very, very heavy here. Very heavy. The tape's like sluggish and That's not my internet speed. That's how the tape was acting. So sporadic. So there we go. Got a reject at 6. Once I saw that reject at 6 like that, and then that real strong red selling pressure. Watch here. It goes up here. It's green, right? Look at this selling pressure when it come through. Selling pressure. That's a lot. It forces candle red. That's when I was like, yeah, I'm done with it. I'm done with the stock. Then the axis keeps getting lower and lower. Look at 93. It's keep getting lower. So I got out right there, and I got out before the dump. So I am 50% accuracy today. I won one, I lost a trade, and I made $1.89 today, guys. I made $1.89. But you know, I'm not mad at that. I'm actually happy with that, because if I was with CMEG, then I would have definitely been red. I'd probably be down $3. So I'm not mad at $1.89. They got people that lost money today and wish that they would have made $1.89. So thank you guys for watching. New small account challenge series, whatever.